need the bride and groom in the middle. I need a circle. That's a half circle. A full circle. We got a big dance floor here. Maybe it's me. All right, spread them out. Come on, big circle here. All right. Look how much they love you. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this dance has to be done very seriously. Okay, but there's a catch. You have to sing as we do it. I want everyone to sing. I can't believe I'm doing this. I must be drunk. Okay? That's what you have to sing to make this work. Go, create some music. Debbie likes it. Here we go. Come on now. I can't believe I'm doing this. I must be drunk. Song, as you can tell, the introductions were a mistake, ladies and gentlemen. That was planned. I need everyone behind Debbie. It's her wedding, and if she taps you on the shoulder, it means you gotta join them. Lead us off now. You gotta join her. Wedding rules. Wedding rules. See people rocking. You people chatting. Circle them Bring in the children. Come on, Jeff, follow me. Follow me.